on the spectrophotometer to warm it up. Adjust the wavelength control to 605 nanometers. Turn on the light before so that it'll be warmed up for when you use it in the experiment. Label each cuvette 1 through 4 with a marker. Wrap the outside of cuvette 2 with foil and make a foil cap for the top to keep the chloroplast solution in complete darkness. It will be used as the experiment control. Add each of these 3 solutions to each cuvette according to the table. Using a pipette, transfer 3 drops of unboiled chloroplast to cuvette 1. Cover the top of the cuvette with paraffin and invert to mix. Transfer 3 drops of unboiled chloroplast into cuvette 2 with a pipette. Immediately cover the cuvette with paraffin and invert to mix. Cover it with the tinfoil cap to keep it out of the light. Transfer 3 drops of the unboiled chloroplast into cuvette 3. Immediately cover the cuvette with parafilm and invert to mix. Transfer 3 drops of the boiled chloroplast into cuvette 4. Immediately cover the cuvette with parafilm and invert to mix.
Place each of the 4 cuvettes into the spectrometer and take readings. These will be your initial readings for time t equals 0.
Start by taking vial 1 and placing it into your spectrometer. Close the lid, and you're going to hit 100% to zero it out.
Once you finish taking the readings off of the spectrometers.
It should say 100.
Place the cuvettes back under the
Next,
light. So that the
take cuvette 1 out and place cuvette 2 in. Close the lid and wait for the reading.
Repeat this process at the 10-minute
Record that reading on your table. Repeat for the last 2 vials.
Put the 4 cuvettes under the light for 5 minutes until you record another spectrophotometer reading.
Repeat this process every 5 minutes for 15 minutes.
Make sure to cover cuvette 2 with the tinfoil after it's used in the spectrophotometer for its reading. This is to keep it away from the light and in the dark.